So I was doing some experiments with ChatGPT, Zapier and Synthesia. I wanted to see how these tools could fit together to create a 12-week management program. The Rising Star Management Program is a fictional management training program that uses ChatGPT to provide personalized feedback. Zapier is used to link all of the steps together. So we'll start with the sign up form where I'll be invited to add a few basic details. My name, surname, place of work, and my email address. Pretty simple start, and the first step is I will receive an email. There's the email, and it says, "We're thrilled to welcome you to the Rising Star Management Program, 12-week journey towards becoming an exceptional management manager." And it's got a link to a self-assessment, which will form like a kind of baseline of the participants' skills. So I click the link, and I'll be asked to complete the skills assessment with questions like, how do you rate your current leadership abilities? There are also free-form questions like describe a recent leadership role. I've written out some pre-written answers to these ones, so I'll just paste that in. How are you with setting goals? I'll rate 4. Challenging decision, again, I'll just paste that in. Communication, I'll rate 10. And how often do you engage in collaborative projects? I'll rate frequently. So I will submit that, and the next step is I will receive another email. Okay, so you'll see we've got a few new emails. Let's go through them in turn. The first one is the assessment results. So it recaps the questions, my response, but then also in this third column you'll see that ChatGPT has performed an analysis on each of the answer. For example, your response speaks to a versatile leadership experience where you navigated complex team dynamics, etc. So it's taken each part and based on instructions given by me, it has analyzed the participants' responses. Next is an invitation to seek feedback from the participants' manager. I'll come back to that in a second. The next one is personalized recommendations. So based on the self-assessment results, ChatGPT is recommending like a personal program of podcasts and blogs and online courses to investigate. And next one is personalized video feedback. So this is where Synthesia comes in. So a video is automatically generated on Synthesia using a template with the script provided by ChatGPT and read out by one of their avatars. So I'll play that video now.
Hi, David. Welcome to your Rising Star self-assessment video feedback. Today, we'll explore your responses, highlighting your strengths, and identifying areas for growth. Let's get started. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your current leadership abilities? You answered 8 out of 10. This implies that you regard yourself as a capable leader with good skills. However, recognizing that there may be a few areas where further growth is possible. As a team lead for a cross-departmental project, you face challenges coordinating diverse teams and contending with shifting project timelines. Despite this, your proactive steps, such as establishing regular check-ins and creating a shared workspace, fostered team collaboration. Your leadership resulted in positive outcomes, such as a 15% improvement in customer onboarding efficiency and favorable feedback from your organization. This experience has played a significant part in shaping your leadership approach, teaching you the importance of adaptability, clear communication, and united teamwork.
Okay, so let's come back to my emails and we'll return to the management request. So this is to request feedback from a manager. So I'll click on the link and it's another form, the manager's assessment form. we'll type in the manager's name, it's Layla James, and the email address is laylajames296@gmail.com. So then if I log in to a different email account, which acts as the manager's account, you'll see that they have been sent an invitation to leave feedback for the participant. So I click the link, and they will go through the assessment, rating the participant for various things like leadership potential. Let's give an 8. Instance where they demonstrated problem solving skills, so I'll grab that from here, put that in. Communication, let's give that a 10. Collaboration, I'll just nip through these. Submit that form. So that's the manager's part in this over. So we'll go back to the participant's email, and we get so the participant will be sent whatever feedback the manager added, so it's just a record of their answers. So we've got a couple new emails now. The first one is comparing the participant's self-assessment with the manager's feedback, and again ChatGPT is providing an analysis. So the participant's leadership and problem-solving skills are significant strengths, etc. So ChatGPT is taking the participant's answer, the manager's answer, and kind of outputting them in this table here. The next part is management scenarios. So if I click on that, it's another form, and it's asking the participant how they would react in certain situations. What's a bit different about this is we have another option here. So you know, the learner can put in their own answer, or you can choose from the pre-populated answers. We've also got this email that the participant has been asked to type a reply to. I've got a pre-written answer here that I will put in, submit the form, and go back to our email. And we've got a new email similar to the other ones where ChatGPT is being used to analyze the learner's responses to the scenarios. Unfortunately, my first response didn't get pulled through, so ChatGPT just said you didn't provide an answer to this question. But it has provided analysis for the other questions, like you show a strategy-oriented approach, etc. So yeah, ChatGPT has taken the responses and analyzed how the participant dealt with each scenario. And the final email has just arrived, which is our learner record. So what this does, it puts everything in the whole 12-week program, if it was 12 weeks, into one PDF using a kind of template, and you can output any part of the whole program. So we've got my name and the name of the company that I work for, got a table of contents, got a little introduction, participant details. We've got a record of the self-assessment, the answers that I gave. We've got something a bit strange about the formatting there, but we've got the analysis of the self-assessment there. We've got the manager's responses, basically any part of the whole process, including ChatGPT's responses, the manager's responses, the participants' responses, can be output into this PDF, which serves as their learner record. So yeah, that's about it. Just a fun little experiment. I think it could be improved upon. There may be drawbacks to it, but yeah, it was fun to do anyway. Thanks.